Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, leave us some comments, let us know what you guys think about these videos. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to put your Ri4000 in 4-color mode. Now the reason for this is you might be experiencing some clogging on some nozzle droppage and you want to go ahead and recover those nozzles. To do that, we would do the strong nozzle maintenance. Now before we get started guys, please make sure you call Ricoh Tech Support and start a KISS with them. Provide them your information and your logs. You want to make sure you have all this documented, especially if your unit's under warranty. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the white ink from the units and we're going to replace these with the cleaners. I'm going to put mine back in, but you guys will put back in your cleaners, okay? So take out the whites, put in the cleaners. Okay, once those are in there, we're going to go ahead into our control panel and set our unit in 4-color mode. Now we're going to do it from a control panel because we tried to do it the regular way by doing the cleaner charging and it's just not going through. The clogging is preventing the cycle from going all the way through its process, so we're going to manually set that into 4-color mode. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go over to our control panel. Alright guys, so here we are at our control panel. So the first thing we want to do, we want to go to our gear menu, which is the bottom right. That's going to be our settings option. Next, we're going to tap once above in path, twice above options, once above information. Once we get into the maintenance menu, we're going to go to printer system. We're going to go to initial charging flag, and we're going to hit select. Now the bottom one here, which says front without white, that should be true. To put that into true mode, we're going to select set. Once it says true, we're going to press return all the way back to the main menu. And if you scroll down on your display here, you will see that it is in 4-color mode. If I can get mine to move, give me a second real quick. Oh, there it goes, just kind of flashed a little bit. So right there, we're in 4-color mode. It just went away. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, okay, so 4-color mode. Now we can go ahead and put our cartridge back in there. Now you want to take it out for a couple of seconds and put it back in just to kind of reset the system and to change it into 4-color mode. Alright guys, after that you guys can go ahead and start doing your strong nozzle maintenance to recover any missing print heads or any missing nozzles or clogged heads. Once again guys, thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos and we'll see you guys next time.